Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So this is not a high frills entertaining video, but what it is a how-to to help people out who have been locked out of the BlackBerry World Play Store. So if you have a BlackBerry 10 device, if you didn't update it before June 1st, basically you had till May 30th, BlackBerry put out a tweet saying, here, download the new version of the BlackBerry World, otherwise you're going to lose access. Why they did it that way, I don't know. But the wonderful thing about software on phones is if you can get your hand on the file, then you can install it. And you have to go through a special process to install it. But in this video, in the drop-down, you'll see the link for the Chrome extension, which allows you to install it. It's called a side loading tool. This allows you to push a wireless update to your phone to install the software file. It should work on Mac or Windows because it's a Chrome extension. You can download Chrome on your Mac computer. I've got it on my Windows and my Mac computer. So you'll load that up. Then you need to download the file. I have a link. I did a Google link straight to my Google Drive. It's a secured link. You can just download that. It's the only thing you should be able to have access to. And you can download the file. So you need the Chrome extension and the file. And then we're going to show you how to go through on your BlackBerry 10 device to put it in developer mode so that you can connect it. And essentially what you're doing is pushing an over-the-air or OTA software update, and you're installing the file onto your phone. It's basically the backwards way of doing what you would do by just clicking the download on your phone. This should work. It worked for me. So this should be able to get you back in business again so you can download your apps that you've already paid for and you have on your account on BlackBerry World. So not going to waste more time. Let's get into the video. All right, so to get the BlackBerry Play Store to work on your BlackBerry 10 device again, if you missed the boat, they gave us those 2 whole days so we could download the file. Thankfully, the wonderful people on Crackberry, somebody was able to get the .bar or bar file, which is what allows you to install the app. It's the app itself. So this should work on Apple or Windows. So you have to have the Chrome browser though. So what this is a Chrome browser extension. I'm going to have the link in the drop down below, but you can see here it's called BlackBerry 10/Playbook App Manager. So click on the link. What you'll want to do is go ahead and add it, and then we'll add it up here. Let's see if I can zoom in. Sorry, this is not the most technically well-made video. I'm just trying to get this done so people can know what to do. So up here, you'll see the little BlackBerry 10 App Manager icon. So when you click on that, it's going to pull up right here with the BlackBerry 10 Playbook App Manager options. So what you see right here is the IP for your BlackBerry device. So what you have to do to get the IP so you can install this wirelessly is go into the settings on your phone. So you have to put it in developer mode. To put it in developer mode, you go to settings. Then you go down to let me see, security and privacy. Scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see developer mode. So I have mine on right now. I'm going to turn it off. So when you turn it on, it's going to ask you to make a password. I just made mine 12345. It doesn't have to be anything highly technical. It'll be good for 10 days. You don't really need to worry about this point anymore. So it's asking for an IP address on the Playbook Manager on the Chrome extension. Do not give them this IP address. That is utterly useless. So you have to go back, and then go down to About Phone. What you're looking for here is in the drop-down category, you'll see one for network. If I can click it while I'm doing this at the same time. All right, so this is the one you want, the IPv4. So 192.168.1.119. You can see I've got it already put in there. So when you do that, you'll type it in here, you'll click Save. And then it will pop up down here with Manage Your Device. This is what gets you to the point where you can install it. Now, this is where the file comes in handy. So you can see here we're connected because it shows you, ta-da, all the stuff. And whenever I did mine earlier, it asks for your PIN. So make sure you remember that PIN. Like I said, you can use like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter. It will ask you here, just to make, I'll do this one more time. See, all right, so here, this is the screen you're going to see the first time. Put in that PIN that you did. And then we're in. All right, so now you need the file. Now, I'm going to link the file. I've got it on my Google Drive. I'm going to give a link, so I'll host it there so people can go back and get it, just because I don't have a better way of doing this. If I can, then I'll update the link later, but this is the best way I can think of to get people the file. I went in, somebody found it, like I said, on BlackBerry, so that was super helpful there. So you have to download the bar file, and you'll do that, like I said, there will be a link in the drop down that clearly says BlackBerry World bar file. Now, you need to find wherever you left it. So I've got mine on the flash drive right now. So install apps, and then here it is right here. appworld.5.4.0.8.bar. So we'll click on that. You'll open it. You'll see up here up top it's installing. So when it gets done installing, you'll be able to see it on your phone. So let's go back here. You'll see BlackBerry World right there, and it should oops, it should shade out. And it may or may not, because I've already installed it. But we'll keep an eye on it for a sec. Keep an eye. Okay, like I said, it may not go ahead and do the shade out thing because I've already updated mine. Normally it'll go like this, it'll shade out a little bit, but I can't uninstall it now. So then you can get back in and you can install your stuff. Now you can see here, it looks like they've kind of cleaned it up a little bit, but overall, I was able to get it to work. And I did this kind of on purpose. I have several BlackBerry 10 devices, and what I did was, 2 of them I updated. This one I didn't. I was hoping there would be a solution, and I wanted to find a way to do this so I could show people how to fix their BlackBerry 10 store. This is how you do it. This will get you back in business. Now, anytime there should be an update from now within the app, you should be able to go ahead and do it. But because of the way they did it, they shut off the app on the last one. They gave us basically 2 days, and then they're like, oh, sorry, guys, you're on your own. So, yeah, I've been able to crack the code, follow some other people's lead, and here's the video. So now you can do it. So if you have any questions or comments, you run into any problems, I'll help out as much as I can, but feel free, please, to leave questions or comments down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as I can, and hopefully this will work. And like I said, the link will be in the drop down so you can get it there. 1 for this installer and 2 for the file itself. So thanks a lot, guys. Like I said, hopefully this has been helpful. This is not the most highly technical video in the world, but I just wanted to get this out so people can get their phones working. So that's all. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.